Indian forests are a diverse and vital ecosystem, contributing significantly to the country's biodiversity and environmental balance. 24.62% of India is covered by forests, totaling around 80.9 million hectares. These forests house a remarkable range of plant and animal species, with an estimated 90,000 species of flora and over 81,000 species of fauna. Today, we will delve into the Forest Conservation Amendment Bill of 2023, which has garnered significant attention in recent times. The Forest Conservation Amendment Bill of 2023 is a proposed piece of legislation in India that aims to amend the existing Forest Conservation Act of 1980. The bill is currently being examined by a parliamentary committee. So what were the earlier versions of Forest Bill? The Indian Forest Act of 1927 was initially implemented to oversee forest resources. The Forest Conservation Act of 1980 was introduced to combat deforestation, mandating central government approval for non-forest use of forest land. However, due to mounting pressures on forest land from industries, agriculture, and resource demands, there is a need to review and amend the legislation. Let's look at the key features of the Forest Conservation Amendment Bill of 2023. Land under the purview of the Act. The bill defines two land categories under its scope. The first includes land designated as a forest under the Indian Forest Act of 1927. The second category includes land not covered in the first category but recorded as a forest after 25 October 1980 by the government. Exempted categories of land. The bill grants exemptions to specific types of land from the Act's provisions. For example, forest land adjacent to government-maintained rail lines or public roads would be exempt. Assignment or leasing of forest land. The bill expands the mandate of prior approval from the central government for the assignment or leasing of forest land to any entity, regardless of government ownership or control. The approval will be subject to conditions set by the central government. Permitted activities in forest land. The bill broadens the range of exempted activities for using forest land for non-forest purposes. It now includes zoos, safaris, ecotourism facilities, silvicultural operations, and any other purpose specified by the central government. Power to issue directions. The bill grants authority to the central government to issue implementation directions for the Act to recognized authorities or organizations of central, state, or union territory governments. The Forest Conservation Amendment Bill of 2023 aims to address the evolving challenges related to forest land management and balance the requirements of conservation with economic activities. The bill is currently under review, and its outcomes will have significant implications for forest governance. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more insightful content on UPSC topics and study materials, download the UnacademyX app.